Hello guys, my name is Luca from AudioTribe YouTube channel, and in this video I will make an unboxing with the Sony XV900 and give you my first impressions compared with the JBL Partybox 1000. So let's go. As you see, the box is very big and has about 31 kilograms. Well, this is big. It is very good that the Sony mounted the handles on top of it. Well, this is the Sony XV900. In the box we have the charging cable, the optical cable that we will connect the big speaker with the TV, and some manuals that no one reads. As you can see, this is big, but not that big as the JBL Partybox 1000. Let's power it on, and at the top we have the panel board. In my opinion, it is nicer. Let's see the lights. We have red, yellow, green, blue and purple, and I am impressed. This looks very good, very good. This is the 13-inch woofer. This is bigger than the JBL Partybox 1000 because the JBL Partybox 1000 has only the woofer of 12-inch, but besides the 12-inch has two 7-inch bass speakers. This is the woofer, the mids, tweeters. Here on top we have another speakers, and for the omnidirectional sound we have on each side two tweeters. Yes, this is a lot heavier than the Sony XV900, and it is easy to carry because it has two wheels on the back of the speaker. Here we have the optical in, audio in through jack, USB that you can use for power the phone or anything else, and guitar, mic in, and battery about 70%. So remember, you can charge it very fast. In 10 minutes this will charge for up to 3 hours of playing time. Now let's connect it to the phone and I will give you a sound sample.
Bluetooth connected.
Okay, so immediately when I set the Bluetooth pairing mode, the phone see the XV900 and connected to it. And now let's play some music. So this is 100% volume with mega bass activated. So what about the sound test? Do you think the Sony XV900 is better than the JBL Partybox 1000? Feel free to subscribe AudioTribe YouTube channel and please hit that like button. Cheers!